From the foundation of transparency I learned from doing watercolor, I have come to make these translucent scrolls that suspend in space, so that light infuses the color from all sides. A friend said, at this scale, the work is a glade, like looking through artificial leaves, with light coming through the layers of color. The shapes are portals, and the shapes have many references. The hexagon has a long history of meaning, and of course circles do too. How they assemble, float, and overlap comes from the technique in photography called bokeh. It means dull or blurry. I wanted to take this from photography back into painting, and to explore it as a metaphor for relationships, the joining, the separating, the near and the distant, and the shimmering of faint shapes or sounds. The latest works explore the abstraction and symbolism of broken glass. The shards of broken glass are my stencils. They are at once beautiful and dangerous, chaotic and cathartic. In a sense, they are the after images of what were safe spaces or barriers, ones that have been violated, broken, or exceeded.